Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem of calls in WhatsApp. If you have any problem of the WhatsApp calls in this video, you will get rid of it. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video. And it is building the matter. For the explanation, the first step, my friend, is to go to the settings, then go to the applications, then click on the applications again. After that, you will find 3 small dots here. Just click on them, and here you will find reset application preferences. Click on it. What does this mean? What does it mean? That the settings for the applications and notifications of disabled applications and data usage restrictions and default applications will be reset, and thus if you have any problem it will be solved, because they are applications that will return as they were at first to the default settings. This is the first step. The second step, my friend, is we go out, then go to the main phone interface, then click on the settings, then click on the applications, then click on the applications again. After that, I search for the WhatsApp application among the applications that we have here, then click on it. What is that? We click on the notifications. We give it all the notifications and permissions. After that, we go out and we give it and click on permissions. Then we give it all the permissions it needs to work. Permission to enter and allow the microphone to access contacts and all permissions. After that, we exit, then click on storage, then click on clear cache, then we exit, then click on power usage details, then click on operating settings. Then we deactivate this option. This option saves energy and restricts work, so we have to deactivate it so that we do not have any problems in WhatsApp. Now the last step, my friend, is to go to your WhatsApp account, then click on the 3 dots above here, then click on settings. What is that? Click on privacy, then go down, you will find calls. Click on it here, you will find silence unknown callers. You deactivate this feature because sometimes calls or WhatsApp considers those calls from an unknown caller, and therefore this may cause you a problem. Now, after doing these steps, you restart your phone. It is necessary to do this step. After that, you will find the problem may be solved. This was the topic of today's video. I hope it has been. I hope you liked it and benefited. No questions, no problems, no suggestions. Write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.